Based on trends and past questions, let's look at this top 20 likely Jamb physics questions. Question 1. Which of the following quantities is a scalar? Displacement, force, velocity, and D. Work. The correct option is D. Work. Work has magnitude only, no direction. Then question number 2, a body is acted upon by three forces in equilibrium. The vector sum of the forces is, look at the options, A, B, C, maximum, minimum, zero. The correct option is zero for a body in equilibrium. Then question number 3, a car accelerates uniformly from rest at 2 meters per second for 15 seconds. The final velocity, remember that acceleration is given and time is given. Then the next question, which of this is not a derived quantity? Velocity, acceleration, mass, force. Mass is the correct answer. Then the unit of pressure is Newton meter square, Newton per meter square, kilogram meter per second. The correct option is C, Newton per meter square, because pressure is force per unit area. Please like this video. Then the next, a ball is thrown vertically upward. At the highest point, its velocity is maximum, acceleration is zero. The correct answer is C, velocity is zero. Which of these explains why a moving body remains in motion unless acted upon? Newton's first law, Newton's second law, Newton's third law, Hooke's law. The correct answer is Newton's first law. That's the law of inertia. Then let's look at number 8. The energy possessed by a body due to its motion is kinetic energy. I know nobody will fail this one. An object is floating in water. The upthrust equals the weight of the object, volume of water, weight of displaced water. The answer is weight of displaced water. Please, this is a pointer to the topics you should read. Boyle's law states that pressure is very proportional to volume, pressure is inversely proportional to volume, volume is constant, temperature is constant. The correct answer is pressure is inversely proportional to volume. Then which instrument is used to measure relative humidity? Relative humidity is measured using hygrometer. Hygrometer. Then the next question, the image formed by a plane mirror is real and inverted, real and upright, virtual and upright, virtual and inverted. The correct answer is C. Then the next question, total internal reflection can only occur when light travels from water to glass, air to water, glass to air, air to vacuum. Remember, total internal reflection, light must travel from a denser medium to a less dense medium. What is the function of a transformer? Convert AC to DC, step up or step down voltage, store electric charge. The correct answer is step up or step down voltage. Please watch this video over and over again. Which particle has no charge? Proton, electron, neutron. Neutron is the correct answer. Question number 16. The SI unit of electric charge, amperes, coulombs is the correct answer. The unit of electric charge. You should know dimension and unit. Ohm's law states that V is equal to IR. Option A is correct. Voltage is proportional to current. A capacitor stores magnetic energy, thermal energy, mechanical energy. The correct answer is electrical energy. Capacitor store electrical energy. The half-life of a radioactive substance is the time it takes for atoms to decay. The correct answer is half of the atom to decay. A step-down transformer, the number of turns in the secondary coil. For step-down transformer, it reduces voltage using fewer turns. Please, this is a pointer to topics you should read. Watch this video and note the topics: measurement, the Newton's laws of motion, transformers, the major topics to read.